Hey learners, have you ever touched a hot cup of tea and felt the heat? Or opened the fridge and felt the cool air? That's thermodynamics in action. Today, we'll learn what thermodynamics is in a super simple and fun way. What is thermodynamics? Here's the famous definition. Thermodynamics is the science of heat, energy, and how they move and change. It comes from two Greek words. Thermo means heat, dynamics means movement. So, it's all about how heat and energy flow and affect everything around us. Real-life examples. When you fry an egg, heat moves from the pan to the egg. When a car engine runs, fuel turns into heat and power. When ice melts, heat from the room flows into the ice. Even your body uses thermodynamics, like when you sweat to cool down on a hot day. Basically, if there's heat, energy, or movement, thermodynamics is there. The 4 laws, made easy. Thermodynamics has 4 super cool laws. Zeroth law: if A equals B and B equals C in temperature, then A equals C. Like 3 friends with the same body temperature, they're all equal. First law: energy can't be created or destroyed, only changed. Energy in equals energy out, like a battery. Second law: heat always moves from hot to cold. That's why your ice cream melts in the sun. Third law: you can't reach absolute zero, the coldest possible. Even in space, there's still a tiny bit of energy. Famous quote by Rudolf Clausius, a thermodynamics genius: "The energy of the universe is constant." Why is it important? Thermodynamics is everywhere. In power plants making electricity, in refrigerators and air conditioners, in rockets blasting into space, in your coffee cup cooling down. It's the science behind comfort, machines, and the universe. What you'll learn in this series. In this playlist, we'll cover heat and temperature, energy transfer, engines and power, the 4 laws of thermodynamics, real-life machines and systems, all explained with simple visuals, cool examples, easy experiments, beginner-friendly lessons. So what is thermodynamics? It's the science of energy, and it explains how everything heats up, cools down, and moves. Whether you're making toast, launching rockets, or just drinking chai, thermodynamics is part of your world. Tell us in the comments, where have you seen heat or energy today? Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and watch our next one. What is fluid mechanics? Explained like you're 10. Let's learn science like never before. Fun, easy, and awesome.